Civic organizations in Kariega met at the Uitenhage Provincial Hospital today, seeking clarity from the CEO and board members on what they describe as a social media storm. Sandile Adam of the Uitenhage Activists Forum says tension escalated after images circulated online showing board members meeting with members of the Somali community. The groups are questioning whether proper governance processes were followed and where the hospital's relationship with the Somali community begins and ends.
Today ke sibuyiswe into kokubana sibone kulenyanga ipheleyo emakhasi onxibelelwano kukho abanye abantu beboard apho babefote nabantu base Somalia. Sithe le meko must not be taken for political gains. Sathi thina njengabantu abahlalayo, let us address lento ngendlela right. At the time ECO was on leave and we made a letter, I think it was the 2nd of February, into bana sicela kwi first Thursday sikwazi umeet. We sent that letter to district, we sent that letter to the mayor, we sent it to the MMC, we sent it to the board, we sent it to abantu be unions abalapha kwesisibhedlela, so that sikwazi ukunderstand aba yintoni le esicinga into bana sizoyixoxa yilanto besifuna ukuyithotha into kubana ingaba into obubudlelwane between iSomalians nesibhedlele siqalaphi siphelelepi. Okwesibini sibona mihla le into kokubana kukho izityholo okanye ne-evidence ekhoyo into bana nazi imoto nazi itraka ziphuma namayeza eMzantsi Afrika. We were afraid of such things into bana the little that we have of medication apha asithi bizakwenzeka. It was possible that it was a good gesture that the Somalians were here for, but into esitshoyo into kokubana we have to protect.
Adam says they were unable to meet with the hospital CEO and alleges that accountability has been difficult to obtain.
Today's meeting, the CEO ifikile kuthi eboardroom emveni kwethuba yathi maze incede iphinde ibizwe ise officeini. I-unions bezikhona beziphakathi kwethu, but kuyacaca bazifumene instruction or whatever into bana mabaphume. Because emveni koba sibizisa i-CEO, we were told into bana no, CEO is not available because ikunye no DM. And we're saying no, into ka DM ayisothusa into bana makasete meeting namhlanje at the same time no CEO knowing into bana siyeza. And even the previous time kwakukho isigqeba apha esuka ephondweni. On the very same day we were addressing the issues apha kunye ne-unions. Bafika on the very same day bazokuthi bazofuna uba ne-meeting, and we said masibanike space kuba sisazi into yobana ngabalapha. But all that we are trying to say, esi strategy sabo siyacaca, asisebenzi, sibenza weak, if I can say so. Sibenza weak because aba address issues, but they are continuously trying to protect themselves and run away from the accountability.
Hospital Board Chairperson Nontsikelelo Anthony says she only became aware of the meeting through social media and was not informed as the CEO was on leave.
La nto yamaSomalia as a chairperson of the board andiyazi. Zange ndayixelelwa and zange ndayixelelwa na even as members bezihambe meeting ne-Somalians. Mna ndibone ku Facebook ndafonelwa ngabantu ba why am I not part of that andiyazi. Up until now akukho nto ethi siqale ngolhlobo kwaze kwathi ngolhlobo.
Anthony adds that as the board, she has no knowledge of AfriSave delivering meals to the hospital. She stressed that all food provided to patients must meet strict safety standards and these donations are untested.
Nto ekhalazelwa ngabahlali nandim being a chairperson, okokuqala I didn't know about this. Some of the board members didn't know about this, about the AfriSave and the Somalians. Sibone isenzeka ngekutest mna according to to information endiyifumeneyo kusuke phaa from kule ndawo bakwenza kuyo baza nako apha, and you'll see into yoba abantu abakuhambisayo ngabanye ngu-AfriSave, not iSamalenza, ngu-AfriSave ngabantu bakhe plus nee-individuals ezikwi-board member.
By the time of filing this report, the Department of Health had not responded for comment. Civic organizations say they do not want residents to take matters into their own hands, which is why they called the gathering to address concerns through structured engagements. After today, however, residents will have to see for themselves. For Mpumakapa TV News, I am Sisipho Mtiki in Kariega.